In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Lovable to GitHub step by step. We'll go from opening your browser to confirming the connection with clear guidance and helpful tips so the process is smooth. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Lovable and press Enter. From the results, click the official Lovable website. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard where your recent projects are listed. Find the project you want to sync and open it. Inside the project view, look over to the right-hand sidebar. You'll see an option to sync your project to GitHub. Click that. A prompt will appear asking you to connect GitHub. Choose Connect GitHub. And if you're shown a second confirmation to connect, click it again to continue. You'll be redirected to GitHub to grant access. Click Authorize Lovable.dev. If you're not signed in or your organization uses two-factor authentication, complete that first so the authorization can proceed. After authorizing, give it a moment to load. This handshake can take a bit depending on your network and GitHub's response. Next, select Add Organizations. If you plan to install the Lovable GitHub app for a company or team account. Then click Install and Authorize. GitHub may ask whether to install the app on all repositories or only selected ones. Choose what fits your workflow. If you're unsure, picking only the specific repository keeps things tidy and reduces unnecessary access. Wait for the installation to finish. When it's done, click Continue to return to Lovable. Back in Lovable, click Connect to link your project with the chosen GitHub repository. If you're prompted to pick a repo, make sure you select the correct one to avoid overwriting an unrelated project. You may see a confirmation about moving or pushing code. Click Transfer anyway to proceed. This confirms you're okay with Lovable creating or updating the repository with your project's files. Now, wait for the sync to complete. You'll know it's fully connected when Lovable shows that GitHub is linked and provides a direct link to the repository. From here on, updates you trigger in Lovable will sync to that repo, keeping your work versioned and easy to collaborate on. If anything hangs, a quick refresh usually helps. And double-check that you have the right permissions on the GitHub side. If you don't see your organization during installation, you might need an owner to grant access or install the app for you. Thanks for watching, and happy building!